Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create passcode on YouTube Kids app. So here we go. This is the first page. If you press install, if you first time use YouTube Kids app. Now let's get started. Get a parent unlock to the app. So just tap this get started button. And you have to sign in with your parents account. So now you can sign in and create your profile for each kid. If you choose to sign in, you get more controls, whether you want to allow lots of videos or handpick your own. You can also block any videos and channel you don't like. The next time you sign in to the device, your kid's profile will be ready to go. Sign in with a parent's account and we'll get started. Now this is my kids profile. The app is ready for my kids to use. So in order to create passcode, see at the bottom right corner of your screen there is a lock icon. Just tap it. And here to continue, please enter the correct answer, or you can set your own passcode. So here you can try to continue with the correct answer. Let's try to answer it. And now the setting is unlocked. So here there is your account, your kids, download, set timer, application, music, sound effect, and so on. And here we go. There is a parent verification, so you can create your passcode in here. Just tap it. Now you can enter 4-digit passcode in order to unlock some feature like settings, or when you first time open YouTube Kids, you need you need to enter this 4-digit passcode. So only 4-digit that are easy to remember. So if you don't comfortable with the passcode, you just try this instead, like 7 like mathematic answer here. You just answer it. So feel free to try to set your passcode in a YouTube Kids app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.